how to utilize the GIS sites in order to find out information on properties within these areas or the owners of those properties. So here from the RVAR site, they have a list of GIS or municipality sites. You can click on any of these and get to their information in their databases. I'll start with Botetourt County. This will open up a new tab, and in order to get to the GIS sites, you'll click this Accept bar, and then this little icon in the middle. It'll take you to the GIS site for Botetourt County. So from here, you'll want to do a search, which you'll go up here and click this little magnifying glass, and you will do either a parcel search or an address search. I'm going to do a parcel search, in which case you can either search by the parcel ID if you have that, the owner name, or the parcel address. I'm just going to go by the owner name here, and we'll use last name Smith. We'll click Submit, and what that hopefully is going to do is bring up a whole list of properties within this Botetourt County area that are owned by somebody with the name Smith. Now obviously you would be able to do the full name or a more narrow search in order to find that exact property. You could also search by the exact property address and get that property. Okay, I want to go back to the RVAR site, and I'm going to take you to the Roanoke City GIS platform. You'll click Accept, and you can search here within Roanoke City by either the owner name and then the street number and street name or the tax ID. I'm going to search by the street name here, and I'll just choose a street that I know is within Roanoke City. Let's do Windsor Avenue, and I'll search. This is going to bring up everybody that lives on Windsor Avenue, and as you can see, it shows you that exact parcel area where you're looking. The green highlighted areas are Windsor addresses. This is Windsor Avenue, and I believe this is Windsor Road over here. Okay. So you can click on any of these. This is 1031 Windsor, and it'll zoom you to that parcel, and you will also see down here at the bottom where that information lies. You can click on any of these tabs up here. The ones that we use most often are this property tab, the assessments tab, which tells you what the city has assessed this property value for, and then any past sales. This one you can see sold, and the grantor was Amy Nance, and the grantee was Clark Williams back in 2007, and the sale price was $151,000. This data is pulled through all sales that go through the specific municipality area. Of course, this will include any sales that go through the MLS. It will also include any sales that do not go through the MLS, so that's helpful as well. The last GIS site I want to take you to is the Salem GIS because it's a little bit different. So the search criteria here for Salem, you can only search by address, by their account number, or whatever this MBLU is, which I'm not sure what that is. But essentially you cannot search by the property owner's name. So that can be a little difficult if you don't know the address that you're looking for, but you do know the person's name. So what I would do is just make sure you've got all the addresses that you need in the Salem area, and you can do it by that. And you'll just start typing. I say, let's start with Academy Street, and it will actually bring up all of the addresses on Academy. You'll click the one that you want, and it zooms you to all of that same information that we saw in the other GISs, just in a different format. All right, I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you've got any questions.